Welcome to Maize and Blue, a game created by the Big Baller Bengineers. In this video, we will demonstrate the features of the prototype of our game. As you can see, this is the main menu screen. The game will prompt you to select a difficulty by inputting a number 0 through 2. We will select Easy. Next, the game will prompt you to choose a mode. As you can see, we have 3 game modes: Single Player, Multiplayer, and Invisible mode. First, we will demonstrate Single Player mode.
First thing, we see the maze generation happening via Kruskal's algorithm. Then the player moves using the WASD keys. Obviously, they can not run into the wall. Another thing, the maze is randomly generated, so each time you play the game, you get a new maze. Then at the end of the game, the user is prompted to play again.
We will now demonstrate the medium multiplayer mode. With our difficulty system, a medium maze will be larger in terms of height and width compared to that of an easy maze. And in multiplayer mode, the second player is controlled by the I, J, K, and L keys. Now both of these players can control their blocks at the same time and attempt to solve the maze. However, they cannot collide with each other. They cannot pass through each other. As we can see, they must collaborate to get around each other and solve the maze. Once a player has completed, it shows which player won and prompts to play again.
Now I'm going to demonstrate the invisible mode with easy settings first. In invisible mode, the user will be presented with a map for a brief 5 seconds, after which the map will disappear. The user will attempt to navigate through the maze through road memory of a map. If he gets stuck, he can choose to press escape to play a new game, and then let's try harder invisible mode. As you can see, it's a really complicated maze. The difficulty of a maze dramatically increases as you can't see the maze itself. Now, if a user gets really frustrated, you can also press the escape button. And if you press no, an error message will be shown.